Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to simulate an Astable Multivibrator using a simulation software called LT-Spice, also called as Linear Technology Spice. It is available on the website analog.com. First, we will start by opening the LT-Spice software. Over here, I will go to File, click on New Schematic. Again, I will go to File, click on Save As. I will call this draft 4 and save it. The simulation requires 4 resistors. So I will click on the resistor over here at the top and place the first 2 resistors. Now I'll press escape. You can also use the shortcut key R for placing the resistors. Now I'll press escape. Next, I require 2 LEDs. I will go to components and search for LED. Click on OK and place them in my circuit. Now I will press escape. Now I will zoom out using the scroll function on the mouse. Now I require 2 capacitors. I will place one capacitor from the menu at the top. To rotate the capacitor, you can use Ctrl R. I'll press escape now. The next capacitor I will place by pressing C on the keyboard. To rotate the capacitor, you can click Ctrl R. Now I will press escape. Next, I want to place 2 transistors. The shortcut key for component is F2. Here I will search for NPN and click on OK. I want to mirror this transistor, so I will press Ctrl E and then click on the circuit. Again over here, I want to mirror this transistor, so again I will press Ctrl E and place it on the grid. Now I will press escape. The next component that I want to place is a voltage source. So I will press F2 and search for voltage. I want to rotate this voltage source, so I will press Ctrl E on the keyboard. Sorry, I'll press Ctrl R on the keyboard. Now I'll press escape. Now I will draw all the wires that are required. So I will click on wire and draw all the required wires. Observe that all the components are placed on the grid symmetrically. To draw wire, you can use the shortcut key F3. You can place ground either from the menu, or you can use the shortcut key G on the keyboard. Now I will press F3 for drawing a wire. My circuit is completed. Now I will give values for all the components. Just right click on the component and give it the value. I want to give the DC voltage source a value of 9 volt. This resistor, I will right click on it and give the value of 1K. R2 has a value of 33K. R3 has a value of 33K. R4, I will right click on it and give the value of 1K. C1, I will right click on it and give the value of 22 micro. C2, I will right click on it and give the value of 22 micro. Q1, I will right click on it. I will click on pick new transistor and select the transistor BC547. QT, I will right click on it and give the value BC547. The circuit is complete now. Now I will go to simulate, run. I'll give the stop time as 100 seconds and I will click on start external DC supply voltage at 0 volt and click on OK. I want to observe four waveforms. So I will add plot planes. I need 4 plot planes. First, I will click on the first plot plane. Then I will click on the collector of Q1 to get the collector voltage. Next, I will click on the second plot plane and I will click on this diode D1 to get the current through the diode. The third plot, I will click on it and then I'll click on the collector of Q2. The fourth plot, I will click on it and then I'll click on the diode D. So I have got these 4 plots. Now I will just select the waveforms that I want to observe. So these are the waveforms for the voltage at the collector, current through the diode, again voltage at the collector and current through the diode. And this is the schematic for the circuit that we have developed. In the end, do not forget to save the simulation. Thank you.